today's edition is Dad's Fried Potatoes. And the reason I say Dad's Fried Potatoes is because my mom made the best fried potatoes until my dad made fried potatoes. So, and what he did, he added onions in it. He elevated the fried potato. What I'm going to try to do today, and I'm actually elevating it even more because I'm going to use a red onion, not a white onion. But I'm going to try some editing and show me cooking, me prepping. You've never seen me prep before, but I'm going to fast forward. So it'll be fast. This should be a fast episode. But as much record time as I have left, I may have to actually cut it off some. But the Google told me that potatoes are a New World vegetable. They were found in the Peruvian, Bolivian area in South America. But they didn't instantly come to North America or Idaho. They went back to Spain. And then they went on into Ireland and all that. And there's a lot of misconceptions that potatoes came from Ireland because of the potato famine. And I believe some people believe they came from Russia because vodka's made with potatoes. But no, they're from South America. And they're great. What a great find. But I'm going to get to prepping, and I'll talk to you later. All right, welcome back. I am going to have to cut it off after I get these potatoes frying. But I'm using Crisco shortening. And I didn't know how much to use, and it looks like I put in way too much. And you probably didn't see it in the fast forward, but I dumped my tray and I lost some of my onions, so I don't have as much as I wanted to use. But what you do, get that grease going. Definitely way too much. And I was using a Pampered Chef vegetable slicer. It allows for a more even cook. We like them charred, but sometimes you have a different consistency. And if you're in I know the great chefs don't use stuff like that, but if you're in a cooking competition, you want consistency. My dog's barking. Because they're liable to say, yeah, this one was too done, this one wasn't done enough. But I've cut too many potatoes. So we'll have seconds. And as far as the onion spill, I'm just going to leave them there. My wife will get it. I think they take about 15 minutes to cook. This grease is just now getting hot. I just spilled some more. And one thing about the Google told me that red onions flavor compared to yellow onions, and I think that's completely false. Red onions are awesome. But I'll probably come back for the flip. What you want to do is put a lid on it. It helps cook the whole thing. But until next time. Welcome back to Culinary Clyce. These bad boys are ready to flip. And before I flip it, I forgot one key thing. You definitely want to add salt to potatoes. So you just flip it. We like them browned and burnt a little. It really didn't take that long. But you just flip them over and let them keep cooking. These are a little thinner than if I was to actually cut the potatoes. I know this is loud. I know I need to get a microphone, but we're not there yet. And I just now realized a minute ago, there's a pause button on here. I used to stop it and then start recording again. Much easier. Just hitting pause. So, until next time. Alright guys, I came back for a minute. I wish I would have been filming. I wish I had more space because I'm also going to cook blackened chicken. And when I threw the first, I used canned chicken. I don't know if it was the olive oil was starting to smoke for whatever reason, but when I threw, and you know, canned chicken has water in it. When I threw it on the pot on the skillet, I had a fire come up to about right here. I've never done that in my life. That would have been a great thing to have on tape. But you just put blackened chicken on, put blackened season on it, then you flip it. Till next time. All right, welcome back. The food is ready. They're perfect. I tasted one. Perfect cook. They're still kind of cooking, but I'm going to show you a trick. If you don't already know it, they're going to be greasy. So, you get a plate with paper towel. Same thing with bacon and other stuff. And one thing you got to remember, if you think you're overfilling it, potatoes reduce down. Because like now it doesn't look like I have that many potatoes. Some charred, probably a little bit more than I wanted, but whatever. It's going to taste good. It's not burnt. Lucky I didn't burn the microwave when that. I really wished I would have recorded that. And I should have, because I should have told you I was going to be making blackened chicken, and y'all would have all seen it. All right, this is being tricky. But I'm wanting to get it off that grease because it's still cooking it, and they're done. They're perfect. Crapping out on it. All right. Well, until next time. Probably not going to come back and eat it. So, I'm no culinary expert, but I can cook sometimes. And today was one where I almost didn't cook very good. But I'll have to bring out the fire extinguisher next time just in case something like that happens. Until next time. Hey guys, one last update. These are so good. For years I've been cooking with olive oil only when frying. And I use shortening today. I highly recommend, at least for fried potatoes, using shortening or vegetable oil. That's what southern fried potatoes are meant to taste like. Not with olive oil. There is a difference. It's not as healthy, but there is a difference. And fried potatoes is a southern delicacy. I'm no culinary expert, but I can cook sometimes.